In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off job alerts on LinkedIn. If your inbox or notifications are getting crowded with job recommendations, LinkedIn gives you a simple way to manage that. Whether you want to pause alerts for a specific search or remove them completely, the process is quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it in a clear and simple way so you can follow along on either desktop or mobile. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to the Jobs tab from your homepage. If you're using a computer, you'll usually find this at the top of the screen. If you're on the mobile app, it may appear along the bottom navigation bar. This section is where LinkedIn keeps job listings, saved searches, and alert settings all in one place. Once you're in the Jobs area, look for the Job Alerts option and open it. This will show you the alerts you currently have active. These alerts are usually connected to job searches you've made before, such as a role, location, or keyword you are interested in. If you've set up more than one alert, take a moment to find the exact one you want to change. Next, click the pencil icon next to the alert you want to modify. This is the Edit option, and it lets you manage the settings for that specific alert rather than changing everything at once. If you only want to stop receiving notifications but might want to use that alert again later, switch the toggle to turn the alert off. This keeps the alert saved, but it stops LinkedIn from sending you updates for now. If you'd rather remove it completely, choose Delete Job Alert instead. This is useful if the alert is no longer relevant and you don't want it showing up in your list anymore. Just make sure you're deleting the correct one, especially if you have multiple alerts with similar job titles or locations. And that's it. By going to the Jobs tab, opening Job Alerts, selecting the pencil icon, and then turning the alert off or deleting it, you can quickly clean up your LinkedIn notifications and make your account feel a lot more manageable. If you're following along on mobile, the layout may look slightly different, but the same options are still there. Just move through the Jobs section carefully and look for the Alert settings and Edit icon. Once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to manage any future alerts as well.